Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately: how to activate Newton. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what Newton actually is. In short, it's a powerful physics engine that can be used to simulate a wide variety of objects and forces. It's used in everything from video games and movies to scientific research. So, why would you want to activate Newton? Well, there are a number of reasons. For one, it can help you create more realistic and immersive simulations. For another, it can be a valuable tool for understanding how the physical world works. Now that we've got a better understanding of what Newton is and why it's useful, let's get into the meat of the matter: how to activate it. There are a few different ways to activate Newton, but I'm going to focus on the most common method. First, you'll need to create a new project in your favorite 3D modeling software. Once you've done that, you'll need to add a physics engine to your project. Most 3D modeling software comes with a built-in physics engine, but if yours doesn't, you can download one from the internet. Once you've added a physics engine to your project, you'll need to create a rigid body object. A rigid body is an object that doesn't deform when it's subjected to forces. Think of it as a hard object, like a ball or a box. Once you've created a rigid body object, you can add forces to it. There are a variety of forces that you can add, including gravity, friction, and wind. Once you've added forces to your rigid body object, you can start simulating it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your object moving and interacting with the other objects in your scene. Now that you know how to activate Newton, you can start using it to create all sorts of amazing simulations. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start experimenting. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on all things 3D modeling and animation. Thanks for watching.